Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ailey. If you're new to today's video, I wanted to share with you just something that I happened to buy. I wasn't actually planning on making a video about this, but I actually got my hands on some new Isoclean products. You can barely even see that. Basically, they obviously had their Black Friday sale and I got some of the refills because I do already have like their normal stuff. I got a normal brush cleaner and I got the Isoclean, is it Inked Bone? Inked Bone. I think it's a collaboration with somebody. Just excuse me for being ignorant and not knowing who it is, but it caught my eye because they said it was scented. Now, Isoclean are coming out with a scented range as well, or like a scented, you know, their own scented brush cleaner as well. I just thought that this one was cool. What I didn't realise was it's like light up. I don't know if you can see that. Like there's a light in the bottom of it. It even comes with a charger, so you can always reuse this bottle. Kind of cool if you want to display it like in your salon or something like that, but obviously. So as I was getting a top up on that, I spotted these. This is filthy because I have just used it. So you can see. So I've used sort of like one half of it. I can now fold it over and use the other side. I'm just going to fold it completely over so it doesn't like get everything else dirty. It is a microfibre cloth. It's huge. It's like double-sided. It's plush. It's got like a little kind of hanging thing on it there, and it's like super soft. It's like I said, it's microfiber, so it's not gonna be too harsh for your brushes, but it is for cleaning your brushes on. And I needed to clean my brushes for doing this look today. If you want to see how I did this look, I'll put it up there for you. Figured I would show you this in action today. This stuff is scented, and I can, when I was doing my makeup there, I can actually still smell the scent off of some of the brushes. And it was nice. So although I thought it was kind of a stupid idea to have scented brush cleaner, it is actually kind of cool because it means that your brushes smell nice, not just alcohol-y. So yeah, obviously if you enjoyed this video, I would love if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will link all these products below, but let's just get into this part of the video. You can probably see as well, the liquid is still clear. I am using the scented stuff. It is still clear. It's not going to stain your brushes any colours or anything like that. It's just the bottle that is coloured. There, that's better. This one had bronzer on it. Okay, let's get a more delicate one. So it's always these kinds of brushes that I'm worried about ruining. But it's such a soft towel. You don't have to be kind of you don't have to be rough with it at all. I'm not going to do every single one of my brushes, but as you can see, it just drinks up all the product. I really like this. I got it in their Black Friday sale. I think I got them for like £4 each or something like that in the sale. They're not really that expensive at all. Obviously, if you enjoyed, I would love it if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video.